how to fix Payoneer two-step verification code not received. So basically here, we have a few things you can look out for that will potentially help you with this little problem. So if you are not receiving your Payoneer verification code, it's usually due to network, carrier, or account settings issues. So you can try these steps. First is to, of course, check your internet or signal. Make sure you have a stable mobile network or Wi-Fi connection. And once you've checked that out, you could do this by doing an Mbps tester in your browsers or just checking other softwares to see if they work, like YouTube or TikTok. And once you've done that, resend the code. You can wait for 1 to 2 minutes, then tap on resend code on the Payoneer screen. Also, make sure you're using your actual phone number, of course. Ensure the registered number or email is correct. That way, they can actually send it to a viable and legitimate email or phone number. And if it's in your email, you can check your spam or junk folders, and sometimes the email codes can land there. So your spam should be found directly in your Gmail as well. You can also try disabling the DND or SMS blockers, since these can block verification texts. And you can also try using an alternative method. You can try getting the code via email instead of your phone number. If all of these doesn't work, then you could always try contacting Payoneer support. So you can do that through the Payoneer support center and request manual verification. But mainly it's these that pretty much just work. But hopefully these can help you though, one of these. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.